Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG3620 printer software on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and then into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG3620 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MG3620. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, make sure you have the correct version selected here. But we're going to go down underneath recommended and select the MG3600 series full driver and software package. Select the download button. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and run that file. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And you can close out of the web browser too. Select the Start Setup button. So at this point, select your country and region, and then select Next, and then select Yes. And now select Agree to the terms. You don't actually have to agree to that survey option. I think that was actually a survey screen before. But we're going to select Next, and then you would select either a wireless connection or USB-based connection. And then you would proceed with the installation here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Just follow along with the on-screen steps at this point, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.